Ready to unlock the power of Python without the hassle of local installations? Let's dive into Google Colab, your free and powerful cloud-based Python environment. First, open your web browser and type in Google. If you are not already logged into your Google account, log in and click on the New Notebook button to create a fresh Python notebook. Now, hit the Connect button located at the upper right corner. This will allocate cloud resources to your notebook, giving you access to processing power and storage. To start coding, simply click on a code cell and type in your Python commands. For example, you can type print hello, Colab. To execute the code, press the play button located to the left of the cell, or use the shortcut Shift+Enter. Need to work with data? You can upload files directly to your Colab environment by clicking on the files icon on the left-hand side, then hitting the upload button. You can then use Python libraries like pandas to read and process these files. To install external packages, use the pip install command followed by the package name. Just type pip install package_name in a code cell and run it. And that's it. You're now equipped to start exploring the world of Python with Google Colab. Explore the menus for more features, and happy coding.